Hey guys, quick update on some upgrades I've done on the G1. Front skid plate felt like a necessary upgrade. The shafts have been taken quite a beating, and also I installed these, don't remember what they're called, on the back as well. They were quite cheap and I hadn't noticed. Some people say that there's a flex. I hadn't really noticed it, but I threw them in because they were so cheap. Also, I bought two 3S LiPos for it, so powers up a bit, and we'll take it out just outside my house. I will show you. I've got a decent small crawling area, rock area, just a few meters from my house, so hang on. So yeah, this area is just by my house. It's not big, but you can test your cars out, and got a few rocks, a path there, and then it goes down here to the playground just behind here, where I sometimes drive as well. So we'll test the G1 out now with the 3S. So let's go. Quite a difference in power, of course. I think this car is so awesome. There's Albus again. Albus! Kom gubbis! There he is. Just rolls over the rocks. Whoops!